He left? He went inside or he went through?
I don't know. I think he went through. I'm not sure.
Hey, do you have it on tape?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't have it. I didn't get it. I think I have it with this one and my 360.
Johnny and SGV news first, you guys. I'll do a bid for it at the post office. Just run through the SGV with the card. You wanna go quick?
Yeah. I wait right here.
Just do me a favor, back up.
I wait right here.
Sorry, just do me a favor,
okay.
please.
I'm okay here.
Sorry.
Yeah, I give you a lot of space.
I know, but I'm trying not to get them
Go ahead.
agitated
Go
because I
ahead.
know there's
I'm
an
not getting
accident going
anybody
on between you
agitated.
guys.
Can you stop blocking my shot, please?
I have a right to stand here, so
I have the right to be here too. I'm a free person, sir. So please.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day, sir. So he's the one who committed the crime, and you're telling me you're full of it. He's the one who committed a crime here, and we have it on video.
Okay, what
So-
kind of document, sir?
All right, I'll send it to you.
No, I'm asking you, sir.
I'm not complying. Thank you.
Okay.
Will you please so kind to move though?
Just like you said, sir.
You're blocking my shot.
I have every right to be
Because
here.
you walk to me,
Just like you said,
and don't
sir,
let the
I
guy
have
go
every right
because
to.
What happened?
I'll show you the video, but not yet. Weapon what? What's your name? Your badge number?
Hey, did they assault you or what happened?
No me.
Not
Somebody
you?
else
Did they
did.
assault you?
No, it was another guy.
Yeah, big time though.
What did they do? What did they
We'll
do?
show you the video.
Were you blocking him in?
Come
'Cause
on.
he says that he was being blocked in.
He had every right to back out, go forward, but he was standing, in front, and he decided to go with his car.
You want to show me the video?
I don't have it on video right now.
Can you show me the video?
Not yet.
Okay. Otherwise, I'm gonna let him go.
You will let him go, and he's coming
He's
right
coming?
now. Yeah. So don't let this guy go because I'm sure he's gonna press charges. No?
Are you guys filming for YouTube and stuff?
We don't answer no questions. What's your name? Your badge number, sir? The one that you were
Right here, sir.
barking. Is that you tell the judge?
Huh?
Magallon, or what is that?
Yeah.
What is your name?
Right.
Is that what you tell your judge?
Well, it's right here for a reason, sir.
But your microphone is covering it, sir.
I have nowhere else to put the microphone, sir.
Well, can you tell me your name?
It's right here.
Okay, can you uncover your microphone? Sir, I'm asking you for your name. So, hey, can you guys let this be know that we're here on this corner? Oh, he's coming right now. If you need privacy, sir, you need to go into your car and not eavesdropping or anything like that, okay? So you're in public and I'm recording, just heads up.
That's it. Speak. Okay, because I'm dealing with another YouTube group right now. It's separate.
Hey, bro, they want to talk to you. This guy's right here.
Citizens arrest on that guy. He hit me with his vehicle. Hello?
Okay. Okay, I'll let you know when I'm clear from you. Do you have a video that you can show me?
Who has the video?
I asked him, he doesn't want to show it to me.
Can you show him the video, dude?
I don't have that.
Yeah.
He's gonna show me.
This guy, this guy's right here backing out. I'm standing over here. Okay? Literally this far away from his car. He backed out and pulled me.
This is a piece of shit, though.
Well, yeah, I was just getting
Thank you guys for being here. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like. Deputy, I hope your body cam is on. I hope your body cam is on, Deputy, because I'm gonna request copy of the FOIA. I'm gonna FOIA request that with that camera to hear your conversation.
He had enough room to back up and get out of there. I wasn't even standing in the road. I was standing here.
So you were trying to film him and get his license plate. And
All I did was
Can't buy
raise
his
my
car.
camera up like this.
looks like he stops, right? He doesn't. I'll ask him, I'll interview him. However,
Wait,
Are you injured right now?
you saw the video, right?
Yeah, I saw it right now.
Did you see him freely back up to the point where he stopped?
Show me.
Did you see him freely back out of his
Dude,
space
that guy
where he
probably is a
stopped?
cop, dude. That fucker probably is a cop. That's what this fuckers don't want to do shit.
I know he is.
It's a possibility that he's a cop. The fucking blue thing line.
That's a violation of my rights to go.
Get a supervisor. Get a supervisor, bro. Get a supervisor, dude.
I'll back up willingly, don't touch me. Back up your fucking finger at me. Back up. I am backing up, don't you see? Idiot.
That's a blue thing line, dude. That fucker's a cop, dude.
Picture, bro. Here's a picture.
Yeah, something else.
Why don't you ask him if he hit me? Tell him to be honest, law enforcement. Hey, officer, why don't you tell him that you hit me? You got a live witness in the passenger seat as well. You got a live witness. Charge him full.
Right there. Mark right there.
Charge him full.
These people don't want, this fuckers don't want to do shit. The relation of duty, man. The relation of duty.
Violation of my rights. Obey that violation. You're trying to intimidate me so I go to jail. Why don't you learn some constitutional law instead of just fucking jamming people up and sending them to jail?
Get a supervisor, bro.
Yeah, it'll be on the card.
Thank you for being here, guys.
Right?
159-215-62 is the license plate. This one, 2037, 2637. Guys.
This guy intimidated me with the car. Now you're gonna intimidate me with the car.
Hey, well, heads up, man. The fucker will run you over in front of these assholes right here. They're letting go, guys. They're letting go. They're letting go. They're letting go.
Officer what? Officer what? Protection program. What's his name? Officer what?
You guys are getting documentation. It doesn't
What?
have his name and badge.
What?
You guys are gonna get
No, I'm not
documentation.
talking about him. I'm talking about the officer that just drove away, that got away with a crime. What's his name? What's his name and badge number?
I don't know. An officer. At least, I don't. He didn't say he was. Here's my name. Here's my badge number.
Get out of my face,
Case
man.
number's in the back.
Get her off. You get my
Man,
receipt.
you're sick. That's why people hate you guys. Seriously, guys. Because you don't do the right thing. Hey, fuck you, bitch. Yeah.
Trash ass police, guys. This is why we come to different cities every couple of days. Look at this. The foreign police giving people authority to bump with their car. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is driving away. There's no victim here, apparently. I didn't get hit by a car. Nothing happened. Nothing happened here. There's no crime, guys. What is that, guys? What is that?
They're leaving.
Is there a reason you're filming me, buddy? Excuse me, sir. Was there a
Walk
reason-
up to me now.
Was there a reason you were filming me, sir? Was there a reason you were filming me, sir?
I'm filming the cops.
What
What are you getting so close? What
Is
are
there
you
a reason you're? I'm wondering why you drove. I need down my license plate.
You're
Please
driving.
do. Please do. You get the VIN number too.
You're driving.
Do it.
You were driving now, and I was pointing the camera to the cops. Relax, dude.
Go back to LA, man.
Go back to LA.
Turn on the camera, you little bitch.
Hey, you need to get a bigger car, dude.
This guy has a bird in his front seat too. What the heck is wrong with people in Orange County driving with their birds in the front seat? Bird, yeah. Yeah, it's a bird.
Hey, what do you get the fuck out, man? Seriously. Hey, what are you shaky, man?
Hey, stay in Orange County where you belong.
Get the fuck
Stay
up,
in
man.
Orange County where you belong.
Hey, get a bigger car, dude. That's a Barbie car. Shit about this. He's about to get he's about to get spice and shit.
What do you guys think about all this?
Bullshit, dude.
BS,
Fuck
bro.
that.
So he's an officer? The guy in the BMW?
This fue a request body cams, dude. Fucking pussies. Seriously. Alright guys, I'm out. Check out SGV River Accountability, guys.
Tony, what up with it, man?
I'm out.
Damn.
What a fucking aim, motherfuckers, too.
There was a mark on the hood.
Oh yeah.
I have it. I put it. I put it in live. I put the video. And
course you
still,
did.
like like nothing happened. Wow. These things are still broke.
Their election of duty, guys.
Let's go to the station. Hey, let's go to the station.
He wants me to tap him with my vehicle too, so he can say, oh yeah, that's perfectly fine, no problem. Not a problem at all. You can go and tap anybody you want with a vehicle. Not a crime. There's no threat or intent to threaten at all there.